Hi everyone, my name is Shamisoayano, also known as Bright Eyes. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to put together the file. I created this PDF file. You could make a pattern to sew it or not to sew it. If you don't want to sew the pattern, then you cut off this seam allowance. So in this video, I'm going to cut off the seam allowance because I don't need to sew it. The type of fabric I use, I bought it from Walmart. It feels like a shower curtain, the fabric. So one side of the fabric feels very plastic and the other side of the fabric feels like fabric. It feels like cloth. I have sublimate on both sides of the fabric to see which is more vibrant, and the one that feels more like cloth, more like fabric, is more vibrant. So if you decided to buy this fabric from Walmart, it's going to feel like a shower curtain, and one side is going to feel like plastic and soft, and the other side is going to feel like fabric, and you want to sublimate on the part that feels like fabric. The people who work there, they know what type of fabric. There was no name on what type of fabric it was. When I bought the fabric, it was on a roll, and I spent over $6 for the fabric. So if you decide to get it, they have it on the roll in Walmart. Okay. So yeah, so in the video, I'm going to show you how I piece together the fabric. And with this, it feels like a shower curtain. That's the best way I could describe it. So what's nice about the fabric, you don't have to sew it because it's not going to flare. If you don't want it to flare, then you buy something that's similar to the shower curtain. So that's what's nice about the fabric. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to put together the PFD files. They come in small, medium, and large. They come in 4 sizes. Okay, and yeah, so that's about it. Okay, right now in the video, all I'm doing is just cutting the lines and trying to match it up as possible to get the best accuracy to do the papers. It's really simple. Each file has its own size, so you don't have to try to figure it out. You're just lining up the pieces, make sure it's accurate to make the pattern. After you put together the pieces, you're going to cut it on the fold. And if you don't want to sew it, then you also cut away the seam allowance. So the type of fabric I use, it doesn't need sewing. So I'm going to cut away the seam allowance like you see me in this video.